Namaste children, hope all are doing well. Let's continue yesterday's class. This period is full of major changes, conflicts and new ideas. New ideas like socialism, democracy, and let's understand these events. Socialism and democracy, these events shaped the modern world. What do you think? Can you tell me what changes you think happened in the world? Happened in the world 100 years ago? That can be discussed here. Or do you think different countries have different types of government? Or different countries had different types of systems? What is your opinion on it? What do you think? Let's explore through these events and how different countries followed different systems and how this led to major world wars and changes in this world. So we'll continue this with the changes and events what happened over there. So dear friends, let's understand the world between the world wars through flowchart. So first one is the introduction, then 20th century, the age of extremes. We'll go through it in detail after understanding this flowchart. Next one is the social changes, where we saw a lot of changes happened, like USSR followed by the socialism, and then political system, many powers, political powers arose on those days. Then world division happens in different groups. That division happens. Rival groups were there. Rival groups means that causes of World War I and World War II. So these all are the causes. I could say it is through the world, through the flowchart we would understand it. Let's see one by one. So dear children, let's understand one by one. Through flowchart we saw there were the 6 points were there. So one by one we'll understand what is trying to say and how this World War I happened, what causes were there, what effects, and why United Nations formed, and what is the dictatorship, and what is democracy, socialism. So through this one by one we will understand. So we will see the introduction. What introduction? That history of the early 20th century. What yesterday we discussed in class, that early centuries, that discovery, two hands was there. One hand was the rise in this dictatorship, and other hand was there where discoveries were happening, medical discoveries, and increasing the medical facilities, democracy. People were talking about society, people were talking about freedom. So that those things were happened in 20th century. Then causes and effect of world wars. What causes was there, what effects was there of world wars, and then formation of United Nation. Why United Nation formed? United Nation formed, what reason was there and what goal was there. So goal was, like yesterday we discussed, the promote to peace and bring peace among the society. Next one is the 20th century, the age of extremes. That time fascism was there, like Italy. In Italy, who was their leader? Which leader was ruling? Mussolini. So Mussolini's motto was there to spread dictatorship and follow the dictatorship. So fascism, his keywords was there, fascism. Fascism means nothing, just dictatorship, making their own rule for the people without taking their opinion. Other hand was there in extremist, that democracy. Democracy means people used to elect their representative, freedom and sovereignty and all. So these two, and next we will see third one. Now let's see the next one, social changes, then political changes. So social changes, like people were, one hand side, people were thinking about better medical facilities for longer life, and increased in education, literacy rate was increasing, scientific discoveries were happening, and people used to work on scientific, like they used to make the bombs, or used to make other things, that discoveries happening, and growth in art, movies, crafts. So people were working those things. Next was the political system. In this control, government control resources. Yesterday we discussed that socialism followed by the USSR. So we could say this USSR. This country is followed of socialism. For socialism, that government control resources. Next one is the private ownership and democracy. Private government and democracy was the which country? That USA, where people they have their right to set up their own industries, factories, and in USSR all those things are socialized. Okay, socialized. But here that is the capitalism. Yesterday we discussed lism. People have that right, they want to set up whatever they want, factories, industries. They have their own rights to buy the houses and all. In this next two more points are there, we will discuss and continue with this. Let's see two more causes of this World War I, why this happened. So tomorrow's lecture we will continue causes of World War I, and now we will see this all points will come under the introduction, means only the introduction of world between World War, how it happened, what changes happened, what political was there, rivals, and world division, socialism, political, and 20th century, how people used to think, that all. So in this we'll see world division. World division is nothing, just developed countries. Developed countries like I can say USSR, and other countries was there, USA. These both countries were developed countries were there, and they ruled especially on Asia and Africa. They made colonies. Africa. They made these two European, especially the European countries, all the European countries made colonies to this continents. Actually, they ruled, European countries ruled all the continents and all the countries, but these two were the colonized by them, and many more also. Let's see this rival groups. Rival groups is nothing, just causes of World War. Causes of World War. So in this we will see how it took place. So causes of World War was divided into two parts. One hand side was there the Germany, Austria, Hungary. And the other side was there the Britain, France, and Russia, these three countries. So I thought to show you the map. Through map you will understand easily where these countries belongs. So easily you can see. This is a Russia, France, and Britain, France and Russia. So Britain, France and Russia, they made one allied. between them one alliance happened, and this Germany, Austria and Hungary, between them, among them, one alliance happened. So these became the two powerful countries, and they allied and they fought against to each other. So one hand side that Germany, Austria and Hungary, other hand side Britain, France and Russia. Hope so you understood well. We'll continue main causes of World War I tomorrow's lecture, and hope you understood. Please like, share and subscribe this channel, and keep comments on this. Thank you.